Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a hot topic, why AI can never truly replace humans. Yes, AI is powerful, but there are some things only humans can do. So let's break down 5 real reasons, quick and simple. Let's get started. AI can understand patterns, but it can't feel. It doesn't experience emotions, compassion, or empathy the way humans do. Whether it's comforting someone, building relationships, or understanding emotional context, this is where humans are irreplaceable. Our capacity for genuine connection goes far beyond algorithms. AI creates based on data it has seen before, but humans can think beyond patterns, imagining and dreaming in ways AI can't replicate. Every breakthrough invention, art masterpiece, and compelling story originates from human imagination. We innovate from a place of true originality, not just recombination. AI can follow rules, but it can't decide what's right or wrong. Complex decisions, medical, legal, social, require moral judgment that comes from human values, culture, and lived experience. Machines simply cannot navigate the gray areas of ethics. Our conscience and understanding of justice are uniquely human. Humans can adapt instantly to new situations, emotions, and environments. AI struggles when something falls outside its training data, often failing in novel scenarios. Whether it's reading body language or reacting to unexpected challenges, humans are naturally flexible. Our ability to improvise and learn on the fly is unmatched. At the end of the day, people trust other people. Teachers, leaders, doctors, mentors, these roles need human presence and connection. AI can assist, but it cannot replace the deep trust and bond humans create. Authentic relationships are built on shared humanity, not code. So, yes, AI is powerful, but it's a tool, not a replacement. Human emotions, creativity, ethics, adaptability, and connection make us unique. AI can enhance our abilities, but it can't become us. Our future is brighter when we leverage AI while celebrating our distinct human strengths. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Which reason do you think is the most important? See you in the next one.